Used to roam the school corridors like we owned the place, chasing dreams and laughter in every empty space. Those carefree days felt like they never end, but now we're just ghosts of who we used to be back then. Oh, the memories of St. Michael, so long ago, fading like the sunset as the years just flow. We were young and fearless, with hearts so bold. Now we're older, wiser, but those memories never grow. We teased each other, even showing our clenched fist, but in our hearts we swore we'd be friends for eternity. Life's destiny took us on different roads to follow. We're just echoes of the past we used to know. Oh, the memories of St. Michael, so long ago, fading like the sunset as the years just flow. We were young and fearless, with hearts so bold. Now we're older, wiser, but those memories never grow.